Hey guys! So, this is gonna be my second attempt at this because apparently my computer just stopped the camera from recording and I didn't realize until I was already like halfway into this, so we're just gonna start over again and pretend like this never happened. So today we are looking at Target beauty boxes. That's right, they're back. So not all the subscription boxes that I used to get are coming back, but Target Beauty Box is definitely one that is. Now, why do I have two, you may ask? Well, because this month they offered two. There was a best of boots and a normal beauty box by Target. So I ordered both because they were like $7. So let's get into the boxes. So starting with this box, when you open it up, this is what you're going to see. So it says, "Hello Jet Setter." And on the back, you have the $5 off coupon that normally comes with the Target Beauty Box. Woo! This must be the boots one. Just gonna say it's the boots one. So the first thing that I see in here is this Sexy Mother Pucker Sexy Mother Pucker Pillow Plump Lip Gloss. It's this one here. It is by Soap and Glory, and I have this. Like, I totally have this. So I like putting this on as I'm getting ready, putting my makeup on, just to kind of help plump up my lips. It's not one that burns an incredible lot or anything like that. It's not an uncomfortable formula. And before I'll put on something like a liquid lip, I'll just wipe it off and my lips will be a little bit more plump than they were before. I like this. It's not bad, actually. It's just funny that it came in here. That's awesome. Alright, the next thing I see in here is by Botanicals. It is the Shine Away Ionic Clay Mask. Very cool. Oh, that's sloshy. I don't think I've ever had a mask that was this liquidy. Like, that's cool. Huh. The power of plants. So this is obviously, I mean, it's a clay mask, but this is really cool. I cannot wait to try this. I love masks. All right, the next thing I see in here is this number 7 Restore and Renew Face and Neck Multi-Action Serum, suitable for sensitive skin. No real detectable scent or anything. This will be very cool to try out. Definitely, especially for things like the neck. Oh God, first place to show where you're aging. Gotta take care of the neck and décolleté. Alright, the next thing I see in here is this Airbrush Away Primer, which is hypoallergenic. And this looks like it's gonna be kind of just one of those almost like lotiony but kind of silicone-y type primers. Like, it just kind of vanishes into the skin. I don't really notice much of a residue after the fact. It's just kind of nice and smooth. Very cool. The next thing I see in here is the Righteous Butter by Soap and Glory. Oh my gosh, I almost bought this the other day. Oh, it smells heavenly. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh my gosh. So this is a body butter, and Soap and Glory makes fabulous body butters. And they smell so good. Oh yeah, the Righteous Butter is definitely righteous. And the last thing in this box is by Sleek Makeup. It is an eyeshadow palette called When the Sun Goes Down. So I wonder if this is like just a few colors out of one of their bigger palettes or what? Because I know their palettes are usually about, you know, yay big. Oh, look at the little palette. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. It's so little. It's so little. It's like the full palette, but it's in tiny size. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, we gotta swatch a few of these. Oh my goodness. That is too funny. That doesn't even look bad. ain't bad, actually. I'm kind of impressed. It's so tiny, though. That is so cute. And it definitely is a good way to try sleek makeup. You get the tiny palette to do so. I love that. I think that's adorable. Time for the next box. So getting into the second box. Hello, Staycation. All right. We also have another $3 off beauty purchase of $15 or more coupon, which I need to start putting these directly into my wallet because I always end up at Target and forget these. All right. So I'm going to go with the big one first. This is a shampoo by OGX for thick and full.
Biotin and collagen shampoo. An exclusive blend with vitamin B7, biotin, collagen, hydrolyzed wheat protein helps to infuse nutrients into every strand and create the appearance of thicker, fuller, healthier looking hair.
I have really thick, full, kind of healthy looking hair. I don't think it needs much help. I mean, a little bit of zhuzhing and I got volume for days. Next up, we have CoverGirl Melting Pout Gel Liquid Lipstick. Oh, it's got one of those like foam looking things. There you go. Yeah, look at that. All right. So this kind of looks like the Too Faced melted lipsticks. That is the color there. Huh. It's the difference in color between the package and the actual color is pretty substantial. This is much more of like a bright coral, and this is like a mauve. But this is called Even Gel Icol. Next up, we have Miss Meyer's Clean Dry Body Wash. Okay. Yeah. Smells alright. But it's basically, yeah, body wash, moisturizing body wash. That's kind of cool. Definitely be interesting to try. Then we've got this Vichy. Is that how you say this brand? Vichy? Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. Mineral water and hyaluronic acid. Daily booster. So is this like a serum? Yeah, looks like it's a serum type thing. So that's kind of cool. Definitely worth trying, especially in these drier months. Ooh. We have a Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, crushed macadamia and rice milk in this cute little package here. So it's like a foil packet, but I mean, it is chock full. Like, this is a big foil packet. Like, I'm gonna go to town with this. I will say I do like the Dove body wash products because they're actually balanced for your skin. So they don't disrupt your chemistry. Like, yeah. They don't break me out. They don't disrupt the chemistry. They are actually really decent at the drugstore body washes. Yeah, that's where I was going with this. So I cannot wait to try this body polish because it's going to be a scrub. And this is a good size amount. Like, yes. Next up, we have Nexus Humicatrice Ultimate Moisture Intensely Hydrating Mask Protein Complex for normal to dry hair. So we got this Nexus mask, also a pretty generous amount, which is great because I have a lot of hair. So that will be fun to try. I love doing hair masks. I don't wash my hair that often, but I usually do a hair mask before I wash my hair. So, you know, about twice a week or so, sometimes 3 times, but these hair masks, awesome. And the last thing in the box is, I love these. They're so funny. So it's a sheet mask, but it's an animal sheet mask. So it makes your face look like a tiger. Whenever I'm doing something like this, somebody decides to like face chat me. Like they call using the damn face so they could see me. Like answer. And then they just immediately bust up laughing. They're always in public and they gotta like tell everyone within like a 3-foot radius, like, look at my daughter, look at my friend, she's wearing this funny mask. It never fails. Never fails. My mom is the one who always catches me, and it is so funny because she always catches me with a face like this, looking ridiculous. The last time I think I was a panda. It was great. It was awesome. These are fantastic though. I love sheet masks. I think they're great this time of year. They're just amazing for the skin, especially because your skin just gets so dehydrated this time of year. So that's awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye!
Squirrel. That's very misleading. Very misleading. There's a bubble. There's a bubble. Sticky lipstick. Put my hand in it. It's just one of those days. Oh, Cindy's gonna be home soon. Better get to it. Better get to it. I'm a mess. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Oh my goodness. Calm down. Calm down. Alright, let's try that again. Oh man, Jen, you have problems. Just problems. Earlier, you just kept squirrel. Like,